Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to solve this problem that y plus 6 minus 2 whole square is equal to what? So first of all, here we first solve the bracket that y plus 6 minus 2. So it's equal to y plus 6 minus 2 is equal to plus 4 whole square. So now y plus 4 whole square, we write this is y plus 4 bracket and again y plus 4. We write this is this 2 times y plus 4. So now here we multiply y with y, that's equals to y square. Now we multiply y with 4, that's equal to 4y. Now we multiply 4 with y, it's equals to 4y plus 4. We multiply 4 with 4 for them 16. So now y square 4y plus 4y is equal to plus 8y plus 16. This is our answer.